Huawei company has recently launched a Huawei Watch Box in China. It is a unique wearable device that comes with a compartment for TWS earbuds. As name suggests, watch is combinations of smartwatch and TWS earphone. The Huawei Watch Box comes with a magnetic lid which is known as flip cover design. It has a reliable and smooth precision hinge and user can open the lid with one finger. The earbuds are IP54 water resistant, but Huawei wants that water must not enter the earphone compartment. The magnetic black box that accommodates earbuds firmly features an innovative magnetic gathering array that also make it easy to take them out. The Huawei Watch Box have 3D curved glass embedded in a stainless steel body. The smartwatch is available in 47 mm diameter. It sports a 1.47-inch circular AMOLED display bearing a resolution of 466 x 466 pixels. On the other hand, earbuds feature an in-ear bullet design. They are lightweight, measuring 4 grams. User can control various functions on the audio device by tapping around the outer area of their ear. In terms of performance of TWS earbuds, the Huawei Watch Box come with triple real-time hearing optimization. It also features active noise cancellation and transparent mode. There is also AI noise reduction for clear quality on calls. User can answer an incoming call directly from the earbuds without having to switch to a smartwatch or phone. As for the Huawei Watch Box smartwatch, it is equipped with heart rate and SpO2 sensor. There is a bone conduction device used for voice wake up and call noise reduction. The device also features ECG for abnormal heart rate recordings. The smartwatch supports for more than 80 workout mode and 200 health courses. The Huawei Watch Box is powered by a 410 mAh battery unit that is claimed to last for 3 days. Each box is backed by 30 mAh cell and is claimed to deliver 4 hours of usage with ANC. The smartwatch can be charged wirelessly, whereas the earbuds can be dropped inside the box. The watch runs on Harmony OS 3. The Huawei Watch Box carries a price tag of $429. It is available in the black and khaki color option. At present, Huawei Watch Box is available in China only. Very soon it may be launched globally. The expected price of this smartwatch in India is 35,000. Friends, if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.